Sure.
On this floor, and then there's a kind of a rec room downstairs.
Oh, okay.
That's where we can-
Okay. Yeah, and we can move that too?
Yeah,
Okay.
everything's open, so look around.
I come up here all the time for lunch when I come up to Parkersburg, and I just wondered about the lodge and what was here and how much it costs and all that stuff.
I guess
We got 2, 4, 5, 6. 8.
15 people.
Correct. That's
Yeah, if you
fantastic.
Try to do that in a hotel, and then you don't end up with the extra.
Yeah.
So
Well, even
what would I rent?
The first floor and the second floor. Main floor, and then the second floor accommodate 10 people.
If it's just me and my wife.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's too much for just
full bathroom here. There's how many bathrooms? 5 bathrooms.
two on this floor, and then the master has its own private bath.
So it's considered the master.
Yeah, and then there's a bath upstairs to the third floor, and then there's
This is
two
nice.
baths downstairs and one bath in the basement.
Wow, look at this. This is nice.
You know, officially it's 16 by fire code. I'm
Yeah.
pretty confident there's been way more.
13,
But
14.
you know, we have to.
Lots of beds though. 15, 16. There.
Light switches. No, there's a different room on the wall there on the left. There you go.
All right, that's pretty cool down here.
There's a bathroom down here, a little kitchenette.
Nice and comfortable. Yep. Yes, there's tons of bathrooms. Little kitchenette, that probably won't even be necessary. It's really neat. Yeah, I think we're gonna have one big party up here. Bunch of old college friends. Shot of that one.
Oh yeah.
That's a